folks. The floor has been sanded once. We're going along edges. Right over there. There's a guy in here, and he's doing a small closet. And this is the boss, Dan. He owns the company. Dan, what are you? This is for my blog. What are you doing here? Looks like you're playing with clay.
It's like Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. What's this for?
What's that?
What are you doing this for?
So this is the shovel fill.
Oh, he's filling the gaps that
Any gaps that are
Linda and I left. Like this is a gap that'll get filled.
some on, and then we'll sand it off, and we'll probably fill it one more time
Okay, and then
if we have enough.
today he'll be able to sand this a second time.
Right.
And what did you say? There'll be about 4 times that you sand the floors?
Probably total on this one, yeah.
Yeah.
Probably 3 with that big 8-inch belt sander, and then we'll have a buffer that goes over it.
Okay. And so he'll do this 1 time and then maybe a second. But today he's got 3 guys. Yesterday it was just Andrew. And today Dan and the helper. What's his- Tyson?
Yeah.
Like the food, like the chicken.
That's right. It's like the chicken.
Yeah, Tyson came. Now how come you left that pile over there?
That's dry. Can't really work
Can't
with
use it,
anymore.
okay.
And then it'll dry out more, and it's way easier to clean up once it's hard.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, well thank you, Dan.
You bet.